Hi, I'm Jay from Family Handyman. I'm here to talk to you about a couple of different ways to cover up your unsightly ceiling. Whether it's truly ugly or you're just looking for a change. Everything from the cheap to the expensive, I'm here to talk about some of my favorites. Installing corrugated tin for your ceiling is an excellent way to get a minimalist or an industrial look. It can attach right to the ceiling joists with screws, and what's more, it's easy to maintain. Now, if you don't mind the look of an industrial building, a drop-in acoustic tile is definitely the way to go. It's a quick transformation for your ceiling, and the project is not difficult at all. Now, you can install a tongue and groove in any room to hide a nasty ceiling. It's a slow process, but you can do it yourself. The results, however, are fantastic. It gives it a great classic look. Installing PVC ceiling panels follows the same process as a normal drop ceiling. They come in 24 by 24 inch panels, and unlike normal drop ceiling panels, they are actually waterproof. Another way to hide an ugly ceiling is to simply install drywall. Now, unlike the drywall we use on our walls, this stuff is a little thicker, so it's a little heavier. You're going to need a partner or a lift. But once it's been primed and painted, it's maintenance free for years. Now, this one is interesting. Using fabric to hide an unsightly ceiling can create a very unique effect. You'll need a lot of yardage to get the drapey look, so pay attention to the price per yard. Another option is to use the fabric as a canopy. And however you use it is going to create a very unique effect. Now, those are just a few of my favorite ceiling ideas. For more inspiration and tips, visit familyhandyman.com.